Yes, my people, welcome back to Trouble Turn Up TV. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, please subscribe. Yes, so you can get more videos. Yes, 2026, you don't know the criminals them out and about. Yes, as you can see right here, these two police officers right here, as you can see, they are criminals. No doubt about it. Look on their faces. You can see clearly that they're up to something. They're up to taking this man 3 pints. Yes, yes. Criminals in broad daylight. How many people them done, you don't know, use this type of behavior towards? You see, that's why people them of Jamaica start to do their recording. Because these officers are clearly criminals. So people want to sit back, relax, and watch the video and listen to the gentleman. You don't know. And then you form your own conclusion. Leave it in the comment section and let us know what you think. Share the video so we can show the world what's really taking place in Jamaica. Jamaica is not a normal place. The struggle is real. Kaboom.
Yes, I know. Did you pretend about my driver's license to me? Yes, I know. Big man, did you premiere? I just ask for my driver's license. I'm going it, see? I not even give my driver's license. Go in my pocket and you take out my driver's license, see? You don't pretend about my driver's license to me. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Did you pretend about my driver's license to me? Yes, I know. Big man, did you prevent about my driver's license to me? Yes, I know. You take my driver's license out of my pocket, you go in my wallet, and you take out my driver's license. Did you present it back to me? Yes, I know. You assault me for no reason whatsoever. I figure out why you assault me a while ago. And I kick with my foot. And I drape me like me and you pit me. Why you do that for a while ago? Answer the question. When I leave and go cool, now I decide to say, no, so I now make it go down further. I go stand up. I want to go about to the business. I go about to the business and I come back. Oh, you go have one driver's license while you're officer. Your officer take your driver's license out of my pocket.
The police are asking for your license.
Right, and me a video and tell you what happened. No, me a go video. Listen, talk to me, General. Don't comment yourself, please, me because I know you. Let me finish dealing with the two police. Because this go reach for right now, which I never plan to go for. So I'm going to ask you, please don't commit yourself. General, you lean up on my car. I ask you to just ease off of my property, please. Your officer take my driver's license, take my wallet out of my pocket without me giving my wallet a while ago. I never give your officer my wallet. Are you what? Your officer gun, well, I know, General. The officer gun in my pocket a while ago and take out my wallet. I avoid the problem a while ago, I stay right here. Then go about them business and come back and ask for something and take away. No why you make that make sense to me. The man take up my driver's license and he don't give me my driver's license. A personal business, him can't search me again and him can't touch me again. None of that I told him can't touch me again. And that is a command, I not ask you. It's a different police officer come to deal with this. So I'm going to tell you that for now, that's a reach. So I told him to come to kill me, I see that.
No, man. Relax.
General, I said they come to kill me.
No, man.
Then if they go up, then do something wrong and then go about them business.
Like that.
Big man, please don't walk upon me, I ask you. I go back off of you.
Come here, the driver.
Me know you come to me, man. I continue to move from you. As long as him come to them, I go move. I go reach as far as Spanish Town today by walking. As long as him come near me. Because he don't know what I'm doing. Me say a different police have talked to me and they told him can't talk to me again. No, man, me not done the life in general. And this will protect me today. Yeah, but this will protect me today because you know what? They violate me already. I mean, avoid the argument. And then come back for me again. You ready to find that?
Listen, man. We come here as a
yeah, man, but me not got any life now. I know this man, everybody, me not got any life now. Come and do him nothing now. Me not got any life. Alright.
Come as everything.
General, me not got any life. All man if you just go and violate all of them, all if you just continue going. You can't ask for someone to take away. Me stand up there so I can't, the man go in, the man violate me, my space, my privacy and everything. The man go in my back pocket, take out my wallet out of my back pocket. I don't know why he take out back. Take out tight. When I look at my wallet, no license in my wallet. The man guard my driver's license. He go saying, "Cap, me this man don't come now because me give him license again." License what him thief out of my wallet, me go no answer question. Me go no driver's license. This man go in my wallet, in my pocket and take out my wallet, sir. This policeman right there, that one with the phone, go in my pocket. While this man assault me, I kick with my foot for no reason. This man got in my pocket for no reason at all. You know what me while this man assault me? Me not trouble none of them. None of them me not trouble. Me if you go suck my mum and all these kind of things. That the police will tell me. That the police will tell me. And this man says a gunshot me forget. Him say me forget a gunshot him. And the one that say me go suck my mama. Then can't say lie me a tell. Then can't say lie me a tell. Him say me fi get a gunshot, him say me go suck my mama. So how can I trust these two men? Answer me question. And me tell them yes or no. I say, me forget the officer, don't get to come because you don't know you. No, I tell you. General, no, me brother, you never swam me, you never swam.
So yes, my people, this is why crime and violence will continue in Jamaica. When you have police like these on the street, roaming, looking for trouble, looking to take people 3 pints. And if you don't understand what I'm saying when I say 3 pints, I mean killing people. Clearly, these two officers harassed this man, assault him. One of them searched his pocket, took out his wallet, took his driver's license out of his wallet. They went their way and come back on the scene because they're up to no good. Then asking the gentleman where is driver's license and over his driver's license. This is a part of their clannish behavior. This is what they use on the citizens of Jamaica. Clearly, these officers are criminals, and some investigation need to take place concerning these two officers right here. How many people then did this same thing to? How many people get harassed and assaulted by these two officers? The struggle is real, yes, and we want the people of Jamaica to come out and let us know if you ever have any encounter with these two officers right here. Yes, my people. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Yes, man. As we give you more videos and show you what's taking place in Jamaica. The struggle is real. How many youths, how many people have been killed by police officers like these corrupted ones? The system need to flush out. Jaja, the struggle is real. You don't know Trouble Turn Up TV. Yes, man.